Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain the Razer Ornata V3 low-profile gaming keyboard. This keyboard is designed to offer a unique blend of comfort and performance. It features low-profile keys and Razer's innovative mecha membrane switches, which give you a satisfying click with a soft, cushioned touch. Plus, the UV-coated keycaps are built to last, resisting wear and tear. You also get vibrant Razer Chroma RGB, lighting with 16.8 million colors to personalize your setup. When it comes to gaming, the Ornata V3 offers a solid experience. The low-profile keys allow for faster actuation, which can translate to quicker reactions in your games. The mecha membrane switches deliver a distinct, clicky feel that many gamers appreciate. While some competitive players might find the pre-travel distance a bit long, it's perfectly responsive for casual gaming. You can also program macros to any key, giving you an edge with custom commands. Comfort and design are key aspects of the Ornata V3. Its ultra-slim profile ensures your hands rest naturally, minimizing fatigue during long hours of use. A magnetic soft-touch wrist rest seamlessly attaches, providing excellent support. You'll also find dedicated backlit media keys for easy control of your music and videos. The keyboard boasts a durable, spill-resistant design, which is a great bonus, and clever cable routing keeps your desk tidy. So, is the Razer Ornata V3 worth it? For many, absolutely. It strikes a great balance between affordability, performance, and quality. If you appreciate the hybrid mecha membrane switches and an ergonomic, low-profile design, this keyboard is a fantastic choice. While hardcore competitive gamers might lean towards pure mechanical options, the Ornata V3 excels for casual gaming and daily productivity. Plus, it comes with a 2-year limited warranty, adding to its value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.